Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to Suryansi Learning Classes. Today we'll discuss about 10 important questions for ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level Exam. So let's begin. Independence is important in testing is mostly due to the fact that A. Developers are not as careful as testers. B. Developers are generally not willing to put in the effort required to find faults in their own work. C. No one can adequately test their own work. Or D. An independent person may find faults more quickly. And the right answer is option C. No one can adequately test their own work. Explanation. Allowing a testing specialist or a professional tester to test the application refers to the concept of independent testing of the system. This provided degree of independence prevents author bias and is generally more effective in finding defects and failures within the product or application. Verification is A. Checking that we are building the right system. B. Checking that we are building the system right. C. Performed by an independent test team. Or D. Making sure that it is what the user really wants. And the right answer is option B. Checking that we are building the system right. Explanation. Verification is the process of checking that a software achieves its goal without any bugs. It is the process to ensure whether the product that is developed is right or not. It verifies whether the developed product fulfills the requirements that we have. A regression test A will always be automated. B will help ensure unchanged area of software have not been affected. C will help ensure changed area of software have not been affected. Or D can only be run during user acceptance testing. And the right answer is option B will help ensure unchanged area of software have not been affected. Explanation. Regression testing is defined as a type of software testing to confirm that a recent program or code change has not adversely affected existing features. Regression testing examples include iteration regression and full regression, and both can be covered with manual and automated test cases. During which test activity could faults be found more cost effectively? A. Execution. B. Design. C. Planning. Or D. Check exit criteria completion. And the right answer is option C. Planning. Explanation. The activities of testing can be divided into the following basic steps: planning and control, analysis and design, implementation and execution, evaluating exit criteria and reporting, test closure activities. Finding faults early. It is commonly believed that the earlier a defect is found, the cheaper it is to fix. If an expected result is not specified, then A. We cannot run the test. B. It may be difficult to repeat the test. C. It may be difficult to determine if the test has passed or failed. Or D. We cannot automate the user inputs. And the right answer is option C. It may be difficult to determine if the result has passed or failed. Explanation. Expected result is the component of test cases. It is predefined value of the output. It is used to identify the test cases are passed or fail on the basis of comparing actual results with the expected result. In a review meeting, a moderator is a person who A. takes a minutes of the meeting, B. mediates between people, C. Takes telephone calls, or D. Writes the document to be reviewed. And the right answer is option B. Mediates between people. Explanation: the moderator leads the review process, performs entry check, follow up on the rework, schedules the meeting, coaches other team, leads the possible discussion, and stores the data that is collected. Tests are prioritized so that A. You shorten the time required for testing. B. You do the best testing in time available. C. You do more effective testing. Or D. You find more faults. And the right answer is option B. You do the best testing in the time available. Explanation: prioritizing the test cases helps the DevOps team to reduce the cost of software test execution phase and the time taken for test execution to ensure the delivery of an exceptional quality product. It allows the tester to think and analyze which tests to run to manage the risk for software delivery. Which of the following is not a static testing technique? A. Error guessing. B. Walkthrough. C. Data flow analysis. Or D. Inspections. And the right answer is option A. Error guessing. Explanation: static testing is software testing technique where testing is carried out without executing the code. Review and static analysis are both part of static testing. Informal walkthrough, peer review, and inspection are comes under review. Data flow, control flow, and cyclomatic complexity comes under static analysis. Which of the following statements about component testing is not true? A. Component testing should be performed by development. B. Component testing is also known as isolation or module testing. C. Component testing should have completion criteria planned. Or D. Component testing does not involve regression testing. And the right answer is option D. Component testing does not involve regression testing. Explanation: all test types can be done during all test levels, so regression testing can be done during component testing. The purpose of requirement phase is A. To freeze requirements. B. To understand user needs. C. To define a scope of testing. Or D. All of the above. And the right answer is option D. All of the above. Explanation: requirement phase is used to freeze all the requirements through which needs of user can be understood in order to define scope of testing. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned and we are going to add few more videos related to ISTQB. So keep watching our videos and keep learning. Until then, take care. Goodbye.